Hi everyone. Leonardo AI came up with their new feature, Image as Pose, just a few hours ago. It allows you to upload an image of a person and generate images with the same pose. And today, I'm going to be testing it. If you don't know how to get started with Leonardo AI, I have a tutorial on it. After you log in, choose a model to generate with. Then, upload your image in the left corner and click on Image as Pose. Type in a prompt in the top field and click on Generate. If your picture doesn't come out good, you can type in a negative prompt for anything that you don't want. As you can see, these pictures came out better. You can find a pose for your pictures on Google. I tried a harder pose to see if it can replicate it, but it has some trouble with it. You can play with the guidance scale until you have a good picture. From what I can see, it generates better results when I use pictures of a model with face. For these ones, the guidance scale was 7. I'm going to make it 5 and see if it's better. And it is. It really depends on the pictures, and you have to try a few times before you get the perfect result. You need to upscale the pictures after so that they are not blurry. Well, I wasn't specific and I didn't get a model, who is a gamer. I got a model and a gamer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe. See you next time.